Sanibona bafethu, njengoba nibona la emva kwami kukhona i-Al Ahly. Ngiyazi nonke bafethu i-Al Ahly it is regarded as one of the best teams la e-Africa. Yabo, sebeyiwine ka-12 i-Champions League. Bayibiza nge-Real Madrid of Africa because they know ukuthi i-Champions League is the most prestigious title ekhona la e-Africa. Because ukuwina i-Champions League kukubeka esikhaleni sokudlalela i-FIFA Club World Cup. Yabo, kukubeka nje ethubeni elihle lokudlalela i-FIFA Club World Cup lapho uzobhena khona nama-team amakhulu akhona la emhlabeni jikelele, o-Real Madrid, o-Man City, abo-Chelsea, Liverpool, you can name them. Yabo, so kule video le ngizokhuluma about Mamelodi Sundowns, i-team la e-South Africa, one of the best teams nayo ekhona la e-Africa because they've shown their dominance. They've shown how they want to be the African giants now. Yabo, abagaba ma-African giants, but they want to be the African giants. But they can't be the African giants with one Champions League title. Ngizokhuluma about the reason why Mamelodi Sundowns ihluleka ukuwina i-Champions League. I'll speak about the reason why Mamelodi Sundowns ihluleka ukuba njenge-Al Ahly. Yabo, I know Al Ahly has a rich, deep history in African football. They've dominated African football for ages. Yabo, ade baqala ukudlala ibhola la e-Africa, ade baqala ukulidominate ibhola la e-Africa. Yabo, Sundowns on the other hand, Sundowns nayo inayo ihistory yokudlala. Yabo, ukudlala kangcono la e-South Africa. La e-South Africa, Sundowns is regarded as one of the best teams la e-South Africa. Yabo, Mamelodi Sundowns is regarded as one of the best teams. Mwasubheke nje icoca sebayilwina for i-league. In the last 10 years, Mamelodi Sundowns isawine isicoco se-Betway Premiership ka-8. In the last 10 years, they've won the Betway Premiership 8 times. And that tells you ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns akusiyona i-team encane ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo, because they know how to win i-Betway Premiership. Mwasubheka in the last 10 years, Kaizer Chiefs yayiwina ngo-2014-2015, kwa-2015-2016 yawina i-Mamelodi Sundowns. 2016-2017 yawina i-Bidvest. About since 2017-2018, we win by Mamelodi Sundowns until 2023-2024 last season. And once you beg this season, Mamelodi Sundowns, they are on the road to win another Betway Premiership. Yabo, they are looking to win a Betway Premiership 8 times in a row. They are looking to win it 8 times in a row. 9 times in 11 years. Yabo. So lento leyo ukuwina league kanje, I feel like iyona weakness ye Mamelodi Sundowns when it comes to i-CAF Champions League. I-Betway Premiership iyona weakness to i-Mamelodi Sundowns. Mhlawumbe abantu bazoxaya ukuthi why ngisho njalo. Mase ubheka i-Betway Premiership right now, njengoba ngikhuluma nje, i-Betway Premiership ayinawo ama-team amaningi ongasho ukuthi mhlawumbe angayi-challenge i-Mamelodi Sundowns lapha phezulu kwisicoco. Yabo, right now ama-team akhona ungasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingazama ukuyi-challenge, but Orlando Pirates ayinaso i-squad depth e-Mamelodi Sundowns enaso. Yabo, Mamelodi Sundowns have quality players abakhona lapha abahlala ebhenchini, abanye abakwazi ukuhlala ebhenchini, bahlala kuma-stands lapha phezulu. Yabo, 21 million player udlala ku-DDC right now. Sambona uThapelo Maseko bafethu, AFCON bronze medalist. Yabo, siyasonke umdlali. Mamelodi Sundowns ine-quality eningi yabadlali abakhona la ku-Betway. Yabo, ine-quality eningi yabadlali abakhona la ku-Betway, and ayikho i-team engakompete ne-Sundowns currently la ku-Betway. Right now bahleli phezulu ngo-15 points. Ayikho i-team e-close ekubaficeni indlela abadlala ngakhona. And leyo nto yaba-affecta masebeya lapha, masebehlangana nama-team anjengo-Al Ahly, masebehlangana nama-team anjengo-Raja Casablanca, masebehlangana nama-team anjengo-Wydad, masebehlangana nama-team nje ama-team akhona lapha ase-North Africa, because those teams play kuma-competitive leagues. Yabo, those teams play in competitive leagues. In their leagues, they know how to handle the pressure. Mekudlalwa lapha, kudlalwa into ezangempela. Even the European leagues go and scout in those leagues because they know those leagues kukhona i-pressure eningi. Yabo, kukhona i-pressure eningi and ibhola lakhona is pretty intense. Yabo, so mesekuziwa la e-South Africa, ibhola la e-South Africa alibuke ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo, alibuke ngaleyo ndlela ibhola la because most teams la e-South Africa abanawo leyo factor leyo. Yabo, abadlali ibhola eligculisekayo, maybe They only play good football when they play against the big three teams. Loma big three teams, Sundowns, Kaizer, Orlando Pirates. They only play good football, maybe they're not Loma team. But when they play against each other, yabo, abadlali kahle. And leyo nto leyo iyona edayisa Mamelodi Sundowns ibe kanje. Ingakho Mamelodi Sundowns insompo kanje. They take ama-star players akulama team akhona ku-Betway. They take ama-star players akhona ku-Betway. Yabo, kangitsho ukuthi Stellies have a chance yokuthi ikwazi ukucompete ne-Sundowns because they know how to buy i-talent elikahle. But Stellies naso sidayisa abadlali baso kuyona Mamelodi Sundowns. They sold their star player u-Ikram Reunice. They sold a star player sabo futhi ku-Jaden Adams. They sold Ikram Reunice beno Jaden Adams to Mamelodi Sundowns, the team that I thought bazokwazi ukucompete nayo this upcoming season, but they sold their players to that team and benza kahle kakhulu. Ikram Reunice right now is one of the best goal scorers abakhona la ku-Betway. I think uhleli lapha phezulu beno repair if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, Jaden Adams ushaye assistant izolo eshayela uThapelo Morena niyibonile yaphola leya. Yabo, iSundowns ithatha khona la ku-Betway. Yabo, yenza isquad sawo siqine. So you cannot tell me uthi Mamelodi Sundowns ngeke ingabi inswempu. Obviously izoba inswempu because they take bona labadlali, they take the star players from these teams akhona ku-Betway. Yabo, to make their squad strong. Yabo, but ke ukuba strong leso squad akube strong lapha eAfrica. Champions League, no, you cannot equip your squad with good players abakhona vele kwila ku-Betway Premiership. I'm not saying they must go and find players somewhere else, even though they went to South America. Yabo, bakhona abadlali ababalandayo South America. They often find good players, they often find bad players. But Roberto Costa or Allende, maybe no Sales, yabo banaleyo factor leyo kudlala kahle. They even went there, they found Augustin Sirino, they found Abo Castro. Yabo abadlali laba ababadlalela kamnandi abaqhamuka South America. Mina ikhumbula kahle bafethi CBD. Yabo uCastro wayemnandi kakhulu uCastro, but kulabadlali ababalandayo abekho abadlali ongasho ukuthi bangabasiza ekuwineni eAfrica. Yabo, I feel like mina iSundowns mifuna ukuwina iChampions League mele ibuze yona uthi yini inkinga. Yabo, I feel like mina inkinga yeSundowns ukuthatha abadlali abakhona la ama-star players akhona la ku-Betway kwenza ischeme sabo sibe inswempu. Ungacompete la ku-Betway ngalabadlali, yabo, ungakwazi ukuyiwina iBetway. Obviously ungayiwina kalula iBetway because isquad sakho sitabadlali abantswempu obathole khona la ku-Betway. But masuhamba nalo badlali uyodlala le ke uzukwazi ukuwina lawo badlali because lawo badlali abayazi i-competition. Yabo, these Mamelodi Sundowns players, they don't know competition. They don't know how to face a competition. You saw Mamelodi Sundowns struggling with group stages at the beyidlala. Yabo, bebe strugglisha baphuma number 2. Baphuma number 2 ku-Champions League. They were struggling. Yabo, I'm not saying bafike kuma-semis or something. All I'm saying is that their squad sinabadlali abaningi abantswempu. Siyakwazi ukuwina ileague la ku-Betway, but masikuyiwa le siyastrugglisha because yabo ayikho competition la. The reason why ngithi ayikho competition, iBetway Premiership bafethu number 4 kuma-league answempu la eAfrica. Masubheka the top 5 leagues in Africa, kuqala i-Egypt, kuze Algeria, kuze Morocco, kuze South Africa, mase kuze Tunisia. Lapha eEgypt kunamateam njengo-Pyramids FC, yabo, edlala kamnandi kule season. Kube khona amateam njengo-Zamalek, kube khona amateam njengo-Al Ahly. Yabo, there are many teams there. Naku-Algeria kube khona amanye amateam anjengo-CR Belouizdad, yabo, MC Alger. Ungabala uzofike le. Nase-Morocco, Wydad, Raja Casablanca. There are many teams are strong kunakhona. Yabo, mase kuziwa la eSouth Africa. La eSouth Africa, I will only say Mamelodi Sundowns ne Orlando Pirates because they are the teams are representative ku-Champions League. And amanye ke nje, yabo, ba on and off abadlali ngaleyo ndlela. Nase-Tunisia akhona here and there, yabo, abo Esperance, yabo, ES Tunis, yabo. But Sundowns, in order for them to win the Champions League, they must stop buying star players akhona la ku-Betway, yabo, and increase i-competition, yabo. But I feel like bayisabi competition. Kumele bavumele i-competition ibe khona la ku-Betway. Bavumele i-competition ibe khona. The last time they won this, there was competition ku-Betway.